Hi, this is Naresh Chaudhary. Welcome back to my next video. I have created this video just to clear the misconception of 3D animation. So, like if you are learning, if you have taken the course, 3D animation course, and someone asks you, what are you doing? Then you will say 3D animation. So, that will sum up as the whole course. Everything will come into that course. And when you go to the workplace and somebody asks you, what do you do? And at that point of time, if you say 3D animation, that means you are an animator, you are doing animation on that project. So both are the same terms, animation, but both has different meaning at different places. So if you are into animation course, then it will be the whole course as animation course. And if you are working and if you say that you do animation, that means that you are an animator. So this is a misconception regarding people who search details about animation. So I would like to clear this.